How to use the OBS virtual camera on Discord. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up the OBS software, and then you want to basically press the Start Virtual Camera button, and then you want to open up your Discord, and then go to the user settings here and scroll down and go to Voice and Video, and then you want to go to the Video tab from the top here. And then next to the camera drop down, you want to click on this drop down and you should be able to see OBS virtual camera device. So you can click on it to select it. Now, if you don't see the OBS virtual camera in this drop down list, here's how to fix that. So first you want to find the OBS and right click on it and then open file location. And then it should bring you here. You can right click on it again and open file location. And then click on the main root folder for the OBS Studio. And then go to the data folder and then OBS plugins. And then in here you should find a folder called win-dshow. So double click on it. And then you should find 2 Windows batch files. And then you want to run the virtual cam install file. Right click on it and then run as admin. And press OK. And this should run the installation for the virtual camera. And when it says it's installed, press any key to close it. And then you can simply restart your OBS Studio, open it up again, and then click on Start Virtual Camera. And then you want to basically restart Discord as well. Right click on this taskbar icon, right click on Discord and quit. And then open up Discord application again. Now if you go to the user settings and then scroll down to the voice and video, go to the video tab. From here you should be able to see the OBS virtual camera. So you can select it here to start using it. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful and see you on the next one.